Meaning of home straight.
Home straight.
Home straight.
Home straight.
Home straight. The term home straight is commonly used in horse racing and athletics to refer to the final straight section of a racecourse or track leading up to the finish line. It is the part of a race where athletes or horses are expected to give their all and make a final push towards victory. The home straight is where races are won and lost, and where the strongest competitors often emerge victorious. It is an exciting and tense part of a race, as fans eagerly watch to see who will cross the finish line first.